Are you looking for a Testable Minds payment proof and want to know if it is a platform where you really can get paid to participate in psychological and behavioral research? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested this platform for quite a while, and in this video here I will record while I actually get paid so you can see exactly how that works, and also show you payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay. And I also will go over a little bit about the earning potential and who it's even for, so you can find out if it really is a good option for you or not. So I have now logged into Testable Minds. Let's just start with the payment proof, and then we will go over some other information you need to know to find out if it's actually a good option for you or not. But I have now logged in and I've gone to my profile here and to the activity section here. You can see here activity, and then I can see how much I currently have. Just before doing that, you also need to be aware that you need to verify your account. I have verified it with my phone number, and also I believe I uploaded some ID. I actually don't remember because it's been quite a long time ago since I did the verification, but you need to do that if you want to earn here. So that's just a little side note there. But then once you've done that and once you've earned here, you can see that now I have $10 and I need to earn $10 to actually be able to get paid. So the payout threshold is $10. How long that will take to potentially earn, we will go over later. But for now, let's just go over how to actually redeem. So I will just here now click the withdraw button. And here you can see I choose the amount. I have $10, so I will choose to get paid these $10 here, and I can choose between PayPal and Revolut here, and I choose to get paid via PayPal here. And you can see here it also asks me one extra time, are you sure you actually want to use PayPal, because it might take up to a week before I will actually receive the money, and it also will have more fees. And they actually do try to push you a lot towards using this Revolut here, but I just prefer PayPal because I already have an account there and I receive quite a lot of payments into that. So I just prefer that, and that's why I just do that now here. But it's something to consider if it's something you end up using regularly, if you should do this instead, because they do not charge any fees. But that also means that there might not be the full $10 when I actually get my money. They do not say what the fees actually are, so I guess we will just have to wait and see. But now I would then just need here to write my PayPal email address here and then tick this box here. You can see that it might be taxable income in certain countries, and that means that this is just something you need to say that you know that that's something you are responsible for. They are not responsible for your taxes. So I'll just write my email here. Of course, I'll blur it out. And then I need to click this withdraw button here. And you can see then my current balance is 0. I actually did not get a pop-up message saying it's on its way, but you can see up here that I have a little notification there. So if I click here to see the activity, then here I have a withdrawal. It says $10 pending here. So then we'll just have to wait until they actually arrive into my PayPal account. And I will leave a screenshot here on the screen with the email I got from PayPal, so you can see the exact amount I ended up getting, if they will actually charge a fee or not. And I will also write there how long it took before I actually did get paid. So as you can see, Testable Minds actually does pay. You can get paid in cash here to participate in these different psychological and behavioral research studies here. And that brings me to the next section. What do you actually need to do here? Because you can see there are these different studies and behavioral experiments, because it's quite unusual studies here compared to many other platforms. And I have tested hundreds of different platforms where you can get paid to participate in research. And here it's actually a platform that's used by researchers from many leading universities to recruit participants for these psychological and behavioral experiments. And it can be a nice way to actually contribute to these different research parts here and to understand what's going on and contribute to research in general. But you need to be aware that it's not just a way you can make like a living or anything like that. You can see here that they have a limit that you can earn a maximum of $50 per month, because they are interested in only having members that are actually genuinely interested in helping with this research here. But is it then even realistic to, for example, earn these $50 per month? If you scroll down here, you can see some of the example studies here, right? There are different studies. This one would take around 30 minutes and you would get $4.50 here, $3 for 15 minutes, $1.50, So how good value you get for your time really depends on the specific study, but they do pay okay for the time compared to certain other, for example, service sites here, and you can do it from your home in front of your computer. And in my experience, the different studies here and research you participate in is actually quite interesting. However, you need to be aware that even though you can potentially join from all countries, there are just some countries where you will more or less never be invited to participate in a study here. You will mainly be invited if you live in one of the bigger English-speaking countries, but you might be lucky to get invited from other countries as well. But in some countries, it will take you quite a long time to ever reach the $10 payout threshold, and you will definitely not be able to earn the $50 per month. And I would say in some countries, you might be able to reach that, but it will not be easy. So if you're just in it for the money, then there are other sites that are more effective when it comes to, for example, earning PayPal cash for free. But if you're interested in this specific type of studies, then it can be a nice way to earn a bit extra at the same time. So overall, Testable Minds is a legit platform. You can actually get paid here, as you could see. However, it's not a good platform for all. It really does depend on your preferences and also on the country you live in. But if you're interested in this type of research studies here, it definitely can be quite cool to participate in this and get paid at the same time. And I hope this video here helped you to see that you actually can expect to get paid, but also to find out if it's actually a good option for you or not. And if it's not a good option for you, then I will leave a link below here so you can find more information in other videos about other ways to get paid to participate in all types of research, no matter where you live and no matter your background. And also, even if you want to use Testable Minds, then you might also want to use some of all those other platforms. So I will leave links below here so you can find more information about that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.